So we had a really bad argument one evening, and then she was yelling and screaming, and then she threw the bedside table at me. I never thought that I would ever say that I had experienced abuse of some sort. I felt really disempowered at that time. A friend of mine had said, let's just do something lah. So we went for Muay Thai classes together, and that was the start of it.
Grace is the founder of Neue Fit, BJJ Muay Thai and fitness gym that's redefining what it means to train, grow and connect. At Neue Fit, Grace has created a space where fitness is not just about physical strength, but mental resilience as well.
I found Jiu-Jitsu by accident. I was in a gym that had Muay Thai and Jiu-Jitsu. One of the things that one of my seniors at that time in the gym had taught me was to learn how to breathe. Discomfort, just breathe through it. Keep calm, just breathe through it. It turned out being a really important lesson in life. All of these external things like learning these martial arts actually did help me. They helped me cope when things felt insurmountable.
How do you see all of this actually translating down to now Neue Fit?
It's because of this. I lead them with kindness. Everybody has their struggles, have their life. Coming in, sometimes they just want to talk, they just want to forget about their troubles outside and just create this safe space for them. Just play and be themselves.
I believe that there are some who has maybe some self-esteem issues. They feel that they are afraid of going to the gym because they might get judged and so on and so forth. What would you say to them to bridge that gap?